Padma Purana, in which a devotee has a vision of all the various leelas of Lord Krishna. She pleads with him not to grant her with salvation or moksha, but to grant her with unconditional love for him. She says, "O Damodara, please reside in my heart. What else do I need? This Balagopala form of yours is of highest value to me." This item concentrates on the dramatization aspect of Kuchipudi.
नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपम् नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानं नमामीश्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपम्